everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central at Pinkee Promise Boutique. We are so glad that you are here. We are bringing you this gorgeous TressAllure style. This is Pixie Lite. It's bold, comfortable, stylish, just a beautiful, layered, natural looking wig. It is made with the Look Fabulous Realistic Styleable heat-friendly fiber that is 40% lighter than other heat-friendly fibers on the wig market. And yes, ladies, you can definitely feel that this fiber is lighter and there's no wig shine, so it has the look and feel of human hair. Take a look at this. Look at the denier of this heat-friendly fiber. Definitely realistic. No one will know that you're wearing a wig. Now, Pixie Lite comes with this gorgeous lace front. It looks like a real hairline. And you have a monofilament top, which means you can part this wig left, center, or right. I have it parted to the left. Now, the density of this style is quite thick, so the hair part may not show as much as you would like it to. You could take tweezers and carefully pluck some of the individual fiber strands out of the parting space to create a little bit wider, more noticeable hair part. Now, I have a video that shows you how to do that, and I'll leave the link to that video in the video description box under this video where you can click and watch. Let's part this wig down the center. I've parted the wig down the center, and as you can see, this fiber does not want to lay down as it should. If this happens, you can use heat styling tools. I like to use this barrel ceramic curling iron. I usually set it at about 280 degrees, and then I just carefully rub it like this on the fiber that is not behaving so that I can train it in the direction that I need it to go. Let's part this to the right. Parted to the right, you can see the hair part. It looks like a natural hair part. TressAllure designed a gorgeous style. Let's take a look at the cap. The cap size of Pixie Lite is a Petite-Average. It fits a head measuring 21.5 inches in circumference. My head size is 22 inches in circumference. With the adjusters on the loosest setting, Pixie Lite fits me perfectly. It's very comfortable. There's not a lot of stretch to this cap. So I think if you're a petite average, or average, meaning up to 22 inches in circumference, you can wear this style comfortably without a problem. Let's talk about measurements. Pixie Lite has a front fringe that measures 5.75 inches long. The sides have layers that are 5 inches long. The crown is 6 inches long, and the nape is 2 inches long. I love how this wig is sculpted in the back and all of the layers. And because this wig is short enough that it sits up from your shirt collar or jacket collar, this wig should last quite a long time because you're not getting friction on the ends from clothing. Now this wig weighs in at 2.2 ounces, extremely lightweight, a pleasure to wear all day long, every day. Let's talk about the gorgeous color. I'm wearing Pixie Lite in the color 1426 R10. The R tells you it's rooted. It's rooted with a number 10, which is a medium brown root. This is a dark blonde color, and it's highlighted with medium warm brown. And let's look at the roots here at the front. You can see it's a number 10 brown root. And I like the number 10 root because the roots are not too dark. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. You have plenty of styling options with Pixie Lite. Earlier, we looked at how you can part this wig left, center, or right. And of course, with this gorgeous lace front that is ear tab to ear tab, you can comb this style back off the face and wear it confidently. People would not know that this isn't a natural hairline. You can also wear this style with bangs. Let's part it to the right and wear it with a little bit of side sweeping bangs. Parted to the right with side sweeping bangs, you get another gorgeous look. Now you can wear the bangs straight down if you would like. You could take this style to your hairstylist and have them trim the bangs to suit your face shape. It's amazing that you can get so many different styles out of one little wig. Now, to shop colors or purchase Pixie Lite, I have left a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop at PinkeePromise.com. Be sure to use my discount code Julia30 to save 30% off this gorgeous style and most wigs and hair toppers at PinkeePromise.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you never miss a wig or hair topper video. Take care. Bye-bye.